Hi English learners, welcome to English with Books. My name is Leon. In these videos, I take a sentence or two from a well-known English book to break down interesting grammar, vocabulary, and expressions just like I do when learning English myself. So let's get started. Today I've chosen a book called The Giver by Lois Lowry, and here is the sentence. Let's read it. Frightened was the way he had felt a year ago when an unidentified aircraft had overflown the community twice. So, what do we have here? First of all, unusual word order. So, frightened is placed at the beginning of the sentence. Normally, we'd expect a sentence like this: the way he had felt a year ago was frightened. However, frightened is placed at the beginning for emphasis. This technique is called fronting. It is used to highlight a particular word order. Next, grammar. We have two examples of past perfect tense. Had felt, had overflown. As you remember, to make a past perfect, we need an auxiliary verb had and past participle, meaning the third form of the verb. Okay, so past perfect tense shows that both actions happened before another past event. The past perfect is commonly used when narrating past events in sequence. Okay, and last but not least, we have advanced vocabulary here. The word overflown. The infinitive form of this verb is overfly. It means to fly over a place. It's an uncommon verb and is mostly used in aviation or military context. Please pay attention that it's irregular verb, and on the screen you can see three forms of this verb. All right, so if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or a sentence from a book you'd like me to analyze, drop it in the comments section. See you in the next one.